And it's 5,500 only. Philippines bread. They like buy. I sell something. Eat stuff, Nankai. It's look like from Japan. Today very hot. I walk many kilometers. It's good place. I like coconut. Camagra, 700 peso. Hi Georgi, where you go? Hi everyone, now Sunday, December 28th, before New Year, 3 days only. And I want to show to you Angeles City and part of Mabalacat also. This Angeles City is first street, it's called first street in Angeles City. And Mabalacat, part of Mabalacat is Lacandula. I will walk inside in Lacandula. And first I want to show to you, I started from main gate terminal. Most of the people who live in Pampanga know what is main gate terminal. Many people waiting and who work in Clark or somewhere in this area, they know because many jeepneys stop here. So this is first street. But another side, it's already Lacandula, Mabalacat. And this is part of Angeles City. This is jeepney station. Main gate terminal. You can take this jeepney to Clark Freeport Zone. So all jeepney going to the Clark. Another side of the terminal, jeepney going to center of Angeles City, also to the Dow terminal. So this side. So you know, this side go to Angeles, this side go to the Clark Freeport Zone. Also you can take tricycle. Tricycle you cannot take to the Clark. Clark not allowed tricycles. Good. It's popular in the Philippines. With salt. Yes, I remember Shira sometimes take this one and good. But I can eat without salt, it's good. I like. Okay, I go to another side. This is first street. Yes. I hope someone give me way to walk. No, today, you know, today it's before New Year and don't have people. But we will go inside Lacandula. Sunset right now. Hi. Okay, I go inside through this market. So this is market. I try to faster because it's don't have fresh air here. Hello. Yes, not easy to breathe because it's don't have fresh air. Faster I need. And this already Lacandula. Inside Lacandula. Many apartments here in Lacandula. For example, this is apartment for rent in Lacandula. Near Sam Clark. I don't know how much, but I think it's not so expensive. So many sari stores. Here also many apartments. You can see many apartments. Also apartment for rent is one. This is main road in Lakandula, inside Barangay Lakandula. You see, bed space for rent. Bed space, it means you can stay in one room with many people. Some of people who work in Sam Clark, they rent. It's not expensive, maybe 1 month, maybe 500 peso. But I'm not sure about how much. I think it's maybe 1,000. But it's not expensive. But take a look, it's another building also. It's also for rent. New building. And another also have building, also monthly. Room for rent is 5,500 only. Take a look. How much? From 5,500 peso. I remember before I rent in Mountain View for same price. Not unfurnished. Not unfurnished I rent. Ice for sale. It's a good business, ice for sale. You see, it's how I will show to you my setup. This is my camera, Pocket or Action 6. Action 6. Another room for rent also. Many room for rent here.
Room for rent?
Yes. So many. Sometimes if we use motorcycle with Shaira, we stop here and buy some meat. Barbecue, I mean barbecue. Empty. Many people now in province. Very popular in the Philippines bread. They like buy white bread. You see, cookies, so many sweet. See, egg pie it's okay, but also so many sweet. So many. Very popular bread. Cake also. Buttercup. Apart from margarine, maybe they cook from margarine. This one. Tuna bread also. So all popular here you can buy. But it's not for me. I cannot. So many sweet. I stop already eat sweet. Left side, 7-Eleven. This is 7-Eleven maybe work 2 years only. It's new 7-Eleven. Before don't have. What they sell? Hi, good afternoon. Also street foods you can buy. So many fry. You see about oil, how oil. And people like here. Vegetable, you can buy vegetable here also. Fish already died a long time ago. Oh, it's good. Georgi asked me before. But near my home also have tailor. This way already to Dao. We just use this road. It's to Dao, but I not want to go to Dao right now. I will move to MacArthur Highway right now. Oh, 300 peso here. Half 150. Oh, haircut, barbershop, 80 peso here. Cheaper. Oh, I will check what is this. They sell something. Second-hand clothes from China. 70, 100, 100, 35, 35. Yeah, second-hand. Yeah, what is this? It's stuff, Nankai. It's look like from Japan. Yes, it's from Japan. Yeah, it's good. Maybe Japanese second-hand. It's not from China. Go to Barangay Hall of Lakandula. Also have many apartments. Also for rent apartments. So many apartments for rent. Gadget shop, coffee shop. It looks good. Lava crazy. In Barangay Lakandula. This is apartment for rent also, upstairs. Havana Place. Very close to MacArthur Highway. But problem not don't have parking. Not easy to park car. MacArthur Highway, busy road. This is billiard in rooftop. Open only from Monday to Sunday from 11 to 4 a.m. I don't know where entrance. I think open right now. I will ask security guard. Excuse me, billiard open or not? Billiard open or not?
Sir?
Billiard.
Billiard. Billiard, sir.
Where entrance to billiard?
Elevator, sir. Fourth floor.
Oh, thank you very much. Okay, we'll check. Have elevator, 4th floor. This is elevator. Oh, working. It's good. 4th floor. Today very hot. I walk many kilometers and wet already. But it's okay, soon I will go to take my car and maybe little bit take video in Fields Avenue with another camera. Oh, billiard. Wi-Fi zone. Okay. It's good place. Very nice. Good view. Spot, billiards, food, drinking. You can sit also here with fresh air. CR also have for women, for men. Water tank. It's for men. You can clean clothes. Oh, clean, wash your hand. You know, I'm not American. It's, you see, working from 11 to 4 a.m. Every day, from Monday to Sunday. Push. Okay, I take video. Aircon here. From Vietnam maybe. From Vietnamese language. Tables. Another side, Lakandula, you can see Lakandula. And the same city, Clark also, you can see. What is this have? Drinks, beer also have. Menu. This is menu. Extra strong Leon. Good name. My name. My name is Leon. CCTV camera have also. Good place. Nice. Four tables for playing billiard. 3 air cons. It's a good place, I like. Sorry, I not understand. Please comment about in Tagalog because I not understand. Yeah, it's good. I like this place. And very close. Take a look. This is already Angeles city. Angeles Rotonda. You just walk maybe 5 minutes only. I will walk now and show to you. Very close. Elevator here. Number 1. Schindler. Please comment about this billiard. Do you like or not? I think it's a very good place, comfortable, not noisy, not so many people. I like. Parking also, you can park car, motorcycle, free. Security have. Have also vape shop, yogurt also. High home. It's furnished. Maxim. Start from 10 peso. Yes. Thank you. So walk is not so far. Oh, with solar panel, take a look. Yes, they charge phone, light have. Walmart. Dental clinic also. Another side Yamaha motorcycle. I bought before in Yamaha battery because my battery already not good, and I bought in this Yamaha 3,500 about. Building we will remove. Oh, fresh coconut, egg for sale also. Price list. Okay. Coconut. Ah, 3 for 150. 3 for coconut for 150. No, I not now, not take. 3 150. Buka juice 50. 15 peso. It's way to Lacandula. Electric bike. Buy now and January 2 not allowed drive in main road. Yes, not allowed. January 2 already banned in the main road. But still can use in Barangay road. Not problem. Shaira will use in Barangay road. It's okay. Sports bar, also billiard, take a look. Also billiard. Yeah, it's good. Near road, little bit noisy. But it's okay. Hi, hi. Yes. Not problem. Excuse me, can you explain about how much you pay for billiard, for example, 1 hour?
1 hour is 150 pesos.
150 peso. Okay.
150 pesos.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Take care. Take care.
Then. Jeepney. Sunset right now. Here diesel 56.35, in Mabalacat 48. So better in Mabalacat. And this jeepney going to Madabdab. Also Madabdab. Yeah, Angeles Madabdab. Usually many people near street foods. Shawarma. Take a look, shawarma. How they cook shawarma. How much shawarma, I don't know. Aha, 100 peso. And he give change 20 peso, 80 peso. Shawarma 80 peso. Oh, this is Bolton Hotel. Bolton Hotel. Okay, I will ask. Rates Bolton Hotel. Bush. Oh, thank you. Good afternoon. Reception. Hotel reception. Oh, thank you. This is lobby. Bolton Hotel. Reception. Oh, this one. Camagra, 700 peso. Room, 1,600 peso. 1,900. You already can read, yes? And Camagra also they give to you 24 hours Wi-Fi also. You can book this hotel. So I will ask maybe we available rooms now for take video. Oh, from Han Casino to Royce Casino, 200 peso. Transportation from here. You see, you can read also. To Marquee Mall, 150. Car or tricycle, I don't know. Breakfast, Bolton breakfast. Okay. In Korean language, maybe Korean. Yes, Korean hotel. Don't have people in the lobby. Okay. Don't have people. Okay, next time I will. Thank you. If don't have people, it's okay. Also, you can buy something here. Okay. Pool. Okay, next time I will show to you review of hotel. Not now. Again in the first street of Angeles. So we walk inside Mabalacat Lacandula. And again we in the Angeles city. Blue taxi. Oh, thank you. You give me way. Okay. Adonis, long time closed. Maybe not closed, but I see always closed door. Breakfast. You know, price. 120, rice to sausage and egg. Today not many people waiting. Jeepney, because Sunday. Most of the people in the home now. From Santa Lucia, this is jeepney. You see, 2 children, 1 adult. It's good, normal in the Philippines. Just only need to more careful ride with children. Jackson College aviation program, 2 years. Jackson College. Baptist Church. Oh, in the park, few people but have. Japanese restaurant.
Yeah, man.
Let's see, holidays schedule. But now it's open. Yeah, street food's always many people. Hi, Georgi. Where you go?
Who?
Really?
Sunday.
Today I see new billiard in third floor. Okay, I will show to you in the video. Okay, see you next time. I talk with Georgi. He going to billiard right now. Not easy for Georgi right now because limited money. If limited money is not good. If he work, he have money for live. But he about 1 year have problem with his health. He cannot work. Oh, what is this way? Oh, noisy. How much dollar today? December 28. 58.10 today. 58.10. And another same. Same, okay. Okay, I will go to home. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.